back to my channel, and today I actually, well, that can stay. Today I actually feel like cooking, so I'm gonna go ahead and meal prep. So basically I'm gonna cook and then I'm gonna package up all the food and put it away, because I don't feel like cooking often, but when I do, that's what I do. I cook enough to where I can put it up. So before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the dishes. And we're on 4 days now. I believe we're 4 days till Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, you guys, I'm ready. Now, I'm not gonna lie, cooking is one of those things that I do when I'm in, like, I don't know, a chipper mood, and I'm just ready to cook, and I just get in and I just cook and put it away, and that's what it is. So recording this is a little bit like for me, so y'all will have to excuse me, but I'm gonna be cooking some cornbread. Okay, now I'm trying something new today, and I'm trying something new and trying to record it and show y'all, but you know, I'm doing this countdown. We gonna see how this goes. Let's just do it. So chicken inside of my stroganoff. I'm gonna be using chicken in my stroganoff rather than hamburger meat, because I don't have any more. So you guys, let's just get into it. I'm gonna season this meat a bit and prepare this, and we're just gonna see how this goes. Stroganoff, really simple. Boil the noodles. I'll show you guys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do much talking in this video, but I might as well, because I don't want to do like a voiceover. Like, I don't know if y'all liked my other videos where I did voiceovers, but it's just a little weird for me doing voiceovers when I could just speak. And I'm also trying something new today, so maybe I should just record and just let y'all see what I'm doing, and at the end let y'all know if it tastes good. But I'll be right back. I'm gonna move this camera to where y'all can see what I'm doing with the meat. I'm gonna rinse the meat off before rinse your meat off. I'm gonna rinse the meat off before I show y'all what I'm gonna use to season the meat. Should I season the meat? Because stroganoff already come with seasoning in it. See, we doing something new. I wanna season this meat. Let's get into it. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Jiffy, because that's gonna take the longest to cook. I've got my milk. I've got to grab me an egg. I've got my meat rinsed off. Okay, now that really hurt me. The fact that I ran out of eggs. That really hurt me. That's hurting me. What could I substitute the egg for? Nothing! Let's put this to the side and focus on my stroganoff. That right there. Should I ask to borrow an egg? Well, you can't borrow an egg. They're not gonna get the egg back. Into the pan we go. Y'all, my cornbread not being able to be cooked really threw me off. So y'all may just see me eating it afterwards and doing the task that I have to do afterwards. So maybe it will low-key be a vlog. I didn't really do much today, but I do have something else to do today that I could record. So we'll just see how that goes. But I'm gonna go ahead and cook, and I will see y'all after I'm done cooking, because that really just threw me off. That just threw me off for real. But I guess if I was meal prepping, I should have made sure I was straight. But you know, I don't get in the mood to cook all the time, like I said. So see y'all after I'm finished. Here's my food, and of course I already, you know, ate some, but I'll eat some more for you guys on camera. Yo, I be upsetting myself, but I'll eat some more for y'all on camera. I didn't taste the broccoli yet. I did season the broccoli. I did burn the broccoli a little bit. Well, like, we're not gonna call it burnt. It got a little grilled on the stove. Y'all, let me stop cutting up. Of course, I already tasted some. Everything was already cooked. The broccoli, I should have started cooking it while the rest of the food was cooking, because, you know, it's really good. I mean, it just tastes like stroganoff. If y'all know what stroganoff tastes like, it just still tastes like regular stroganoff, just with chicken. Now, for me, I don't use the whole, well, not anymore. I will not be using the whole pack anymore, because normally when I cook it and I use the whole pack is too much seasoning for the portion of pasta that it is. It's too much seasoning. So this time I didn't use the whole pack. I actually left quite a bit of the pack. Like 1/3 of the pack. I literally didn't use 1/3 of the pack. Nah, it's probably less than that, because you know the pack isn't like full to its thickness. So yeah, basically I didn't use the whole pack because it's too much seasoning. It's too much. That broccoli good. I mean, it's just broccoli. Just stroganoff and broccoli. Ain't nothing special about it. So, for the other tasks that I plan to do today, I actually kind of just want to, but this is really good. I might as well just sit back and see, like, is there anything I want to talk to y'all about? Yeah, y'all, it's 4 days till Christmas. What y'all got going on? Y'all doing last minute Christmas shopping or present making? I mean, what y'all doing? All right, I'm gonna cut this camera off because I'm acting too silly. I ate some sweet stuff. Drank some sweet stuff. And I'm being a little too hyper. I'm cutting the camera off. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna post the camera up while I do what I'm gonna do. But if not, this is where we part. So that's